Okay, here's an Alex problem dealing with molecular geometry using VSPER theory, and the question is talk about the shape of the bromodifluoride anion. It's asking us how many electron groups are around the central bromine atom, and then what kind of arrangement these electrons form. So again, these are electron groups that we're interested in, not really the molecular shape, but the geometry of the electron groups around the central atom, and then what shape is that. Alright, so in order to do that, we have to do the Lewis dot structure, and so let's do that for the BrF2 anion. And so let's go BrF2, the anion. Let's do valence electrons first. So the bromine has 7. Each of the fluorines has 7. There's 2 of them, so there's 14, plus the 1 that forms the anion there. And so we have here 22 valence electrons. Let's go ahead and draw the Br, each of the Fs here. Let's complete the octets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so the number of valence electrons I have so far is there's 8 around the fluorines and 8 around the other fluorines, so I have 16, and so I have 6 remaining that I have to distribute in this molecule. And so I have the Br, the Br, the Br. We've done atoms very similar to this, if not this particular one. And so the question then is how many electron groups are around this central atom? So electron group will be bonds and lone pairs. All right, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 electron groups around this particular atom. And so if I go back to my notes, and then I go and I say, okay, 5 electron groups. Electron groups are in this column. 5 electron groups are trigonal bipyramidal. And so as those are things you're just going to have memorize. So on this particular table, there are 5 things that you have to have memorized. Alright, and so how many electron groups around there? We said 5. And then what phrase best describes the electron groups themselves? We said that is trigonal bipyramidal. So we go ahead and submit that to Alex, and Alex should tell us that we're right on this one. So again, draw the correct Lewis dot structure, and then you just have to have some of that table memorized in order to answer these on quizzes and on tests.